What's up, long dogs? For some reason, let me adjust this a little bit. This tire is always flat, so I'm going to fill it with air with my air tank, and I'm going to find this leak one way or another. One way I test it is I fill it up, I overfill it with air, make sure all devices are off, make sure I'm in a quiet area, and I listen for leaks. And I hear it hissing. It's right here. I don't know if you hear that. Okay? If you can't find the hole because the tire is too dark, let's see if you guys. Let me set this up right here. You hear that? The hole is right there. If you can't find the hole, you take some water, and the water will expose it. It's right there. I don't know if you can see the bubbles. I got two little holes in one. It's almost like a little spider bite. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to get a hit. I'll show you. Give me a second. Got myself my repair kit. In here I have my plugs, which I use on a weekly basis. I have my tire gauge, spark plug in case I need it. I don't know why it's in there. And this thing here, this is used to puncture the hole, smooth it out, so you can use this tool and insert the plug. But I don't use this tool. I think it's useless. Depending, if it was a car tire, I'm forced to use this because a car tire is so much, you have to use so much strength to get through there. So you would have to widen the opening it up just to put in the plug. But with these small tires, you don't need that. Let me tell you why I do it like that. Because I get leaks on a daily basis because I'm always mulching up debris with thorns. Eventually I'm going to change these tires out and put flatless tires. So the reason what I do is this. First of all, I got to put this in through there. Like so. Make sure that it's even, so when you insert the plug, both sides are going in evenly. Let me see, I lost the hole again. So what do I use? I use water to find it, and it's right there. Now, since I have like a spider bite type bite with almost like two fangs, there's a little area in between that is not leaking. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in, and you gotta be careful that you don't go all the way through, because then that'll be pointless. Then you have to start again and you're gonna lose a plug. So you have to gently force it. There it is. Alright, so I'm gonna put it right in between those two. I'm gonna do it right in between. There we go. Gently, not too much. Twist it a little bit. I don't know why my dad did this, but he always did that. And then, to see if you have a proper seal, put more water on it. And yeah, I got a good seal because I don't see any more leaks. Let me show you. No more leak. The other one is good, and that is how you plug a tire. I plug it the same way depending on the car tire. Most small cars you can do that without having to use the other tool. The reason why I only use the plug part is because I want a tight fit so it seals better. If I have to make a hole bigger just to fit the plug, there could be a possibility that the plug will easily come out. But because I'm forcing it in such a tight spot, it'll grab it more, not allowing it to come out. So that's how I do my plugs, guys. See you later.